inside the dash. Spun this for about 30 seconds, and the light in this dash got to be like it normally is, a lot brighter. So the brushes inside were just like crap on them. Okay, got a GM alternator on a 3rd gen Camaro, and it doesn't seem like it's acting right. The idiot light here barely lights up. This goes hot, powers the light, and over here this is the brushes inside the alternator, and the regulator should ground that. So when there's no power, this should go ahead and be slightly glowing. This is run hot too. And I went over here. If you unplug this, the light doesn't light up. If you plug this in, I cleaned all the contacts, plugged it back in. Okay, I've gone ahead and revolved the alternator with an electric drill and got this to light up. Originally it would barely light. Unplug the connector, it wouldn't light. Plug it on, turn this on, run, and really wasn't getting very well to the brushes. The brushes are probably dirty. It's a 5/16 piece of Allen key I've cut off and stuck in a drill. I'm going to go ahead and revolve this over and show you that it's actually now charging. Okay, get the voltmeter across the battery. This is the alternator. This is the 5/16 put into the fit it in there. There you go, it's charging up. And after I did this, I spun it for about 30 seconds, and then the light inside the dash, spun this for about 30 seconds, and the light in this dash got to be like it normally is, a lot brighter. So the brushes inside were just had crap on them. Now, let me go turn the headlights on. See what might. Putting a load on the drill. Keeping the lights bright. So, it's charging up. Now, this is way brighter. It's about the same it was just a minute ago, but this would barely light up. I could only see it when it was totally dark outside. So if it's been sitting for a decade or so and you get crap in the brushes, this is going to be dim because you're not really getting that much current to go ahead and run it. So once it's been revolved a bunch, half a minute or a minute, cleans off the brushes, then the light's going to light up way better and put out some output. Okay, this is the 5/16 inch that I used to run the alternator. It's out of a hex key set. I couldn't really find anything. It goes from 5/16 to something to chuck up in my drill. I went through and was going to buy something, but I couldn't find something that quick, so I ended up just taking a cutoff tool, cutting this off with a 4.5 inch hand grind cutoff wheel. So there you go. That goes into right there. You can get the leg of the tripod to hold. This piece here. The ball end is nice because you don't have to have it exactly aligned. With the ball, you can kind of got a little bit of freedom here to still drive it. And I drove it this way because that's the way the engine runs. It'll probably work either way. I don't think it makes any difference. Now it's really growing bright because the crap is off the brushes. So revolving the alternator has gotten the junk off and then allows current to flow to it to activate